Insan sodok totuvon itangado kodo itido pomogunan minimbu aiso tobituan tokilo sodok do krisma di koisonogi. The world was hush, a silent starry night, a tiny spark, a flicker burning bright. No trumpets blare, no banners unfurled, just humble peace for all the world.
The music you've just heard is part of an experimental project I'm currently developing. My core ambition is to introduce the best of reggae music by infusing its iconic, infectious rhythms and deeply soulful melodies into the evolving Kadazan musical fabric. This creative endeavor aligns with our preparations for the upcoming Christmas celebration, offering a fresh and contemporary interpretation. It is my earnest hope that this distinctive blend will prove highly attractive to younger Kadazans, sparking their interest and fostering a deeper appreciation for both reggae's rich legacy and the dynamic future of Kadazan music.
Insan sodok totuvon itangado kodo itido pomogunan minimbu aiso tobituan tokilo sodok do krisma di koisonogi. The world was hush, a silent starry night, a tiny spark, a flicker